These page view settings in Noteful are going to be what you use to set up how you want your document to look like. So let's go through them and set them up the right way. So with this box right here, this gives you the option on how you want to view your document. So if you want your pages to swipe this way, you're going to want to have this turned on to horizontal page view. But if you wanted it to go this way, you could do vertical. That's not typical for how digital planners are used, but you can definitely do it that way if you want to. And if it's automatically like preset to this and you can't figure out why are my pages scrolling in the wrong direction, you just want to go right up here and change it to horizontal. You can also change your toolbar position, and this is something that I've done. So my toolbar might look a little bit different than yours, so you could change it. Most toolbars are like right over here. I don't really care for that, so I've changed mine to the top because I want it to be very similar to GoodNotes, which is an app I've used before. And I'm coming from GoodNotes to Noteful, and a lot of people are coming from GoodNotes to Noteful. So I use my toolbar at the top. So it's very similar to what I'm used to, but you can do it on any side of the app that you like. You can also have your toolbar, your tab bar position at the top or the bottom. So you have your tabs down here if you'd rather them be down there. Most are used to them being on the top though. So I'm going to take mine back to the top and have my tabs up here. Now you can have it here where you can keep your iPad awake. So if you're working in Noteful, if you turn that on, your iPad won't go to sleep on you if you like haven't touched the screen in a while. You can also turn on night mode, and that makes everything black. Really cool, kind of makes your planner like a dark mode planner, but not everything shows up how it's supposed to be. So take it or leave it if you want to use night mode. You also have your status bar, which is right up here. This is where it shows like the time, the date, your battery life. If you don't want to see that, you can turn it off. Now you have a ruler, so this is where you're going to turn your ruler off and on if you want your ruler. Same as zoom, so if you want to be able to zoom in, this is great if you're like wanting to use your pen tool. You can write really big and it'll show up really small down over here. So that's how you use your zoom window. And then there is a built-in timer, so if you want to use a timer, you can do that, and it's going to show up right here, so you can turn on a stopwatch or a timer. That is how you use all the tools right here under this box.